Good morning. Good morning. Let me get the disclaimer up here. It is Monday, September 25th. All right, so let me get out of here. Sorry. All right, trading is risky. Let's get into it. Did I share this yet? Hi, good morning. Vacation was good, thank you. Thank you for asking. Let me put these, sorry, my admin had a question and then a student had a question. Let's get going. It is Monday, September 25th. It's 9:24, so we have 6 minutes till the market opens. Let's talk about trades that we have already had this evening. I'm only on YouTube right now. I'll be on TikTok in a bit. So ES Knight and NQ Knight both had a winning trade. Right here. No, that's not it. Oh, did it? No, Range Knight, ES Knight. Maybe. Oh, shoot, I was on the wrong chart. Here we go. ES Knight had a winning trade, and then NQ Knight was right here. Very nice. And that's it. Gold has not taken a trade yet. Let me hide this. Gold has not taken a trade yet. RTY, that's after the open. All right, and then CHOP down here in the bottom right. This is ES CHOP, and it's 2 for 2 for $500. And then YM CHOP is right here, and that is 2 for 2. I am only running the first target and not the second, but it would have definitely hit the second one here. 2 for 2 for $200, but it easily would have been, I think the second target's like another 200, so maybe 3 total. So it probably would have been like 600 total on YM. Hey, Mark. Good morning, Greg and Miguel. The vacation was nice. It got cut a day early because of the tropical storm. But yeah, not a big deal. So we got a credit, actually. The hotel was really, really nice. They gave us a really nice credit to use up until July of next year. So we'll go back in the spring and use that credit. So it'll be great. Because even like the rides were canceled. Like there were a lot of things that were canceled. Like rides were canceled and turned off. Like they weren't even running. And, it was raining on Saturday, so we just left early. We were going to leave on Sunday, and we just left on Saturday and then got that credit. So it's all good. Oh, look at Jen. She changed her little logo. I love it. All right. Live BoldBot. We'll get on here. It's 9:27. We already went over our play for the day. I'm playing Speaking of playing, I'm playing pickleball today. Oh, I wasn't on an island. I wasn't on an island. I was just at the beach. off of like the Atlantic coast. But yeah. All right, I might put my glasses on. I am live on TikTok, so if somebody wants to jump on there, please hit a thumbs up as you come in to YouTube. Hi, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Welcome, welcome. We'll get started. The market's going to open in 2 minutes. Put my little thing up here. Jen was live both in the morning and in the afternoon on Friday. I hope you guys had fun with her. We had a really good week last week. Even with one loss, we had a loss of ES on Friday morning, like in the middle. Still did really well. Hey, Jared. Please hit that thumbs up. Thank you so much. There's 20 of you on here and 10 likes. If you want to hit that thumbs up on YouTube and you don't see it, minimize the chat, like hide the chat, and then it will appear. Or rotate your phone long ways, like up and down, and then it will appear. If you have it left to right, then it doesn't show it. All right, so as I was mentioning to my YouTube folks, we are 2 for 2. Well, actually 4 for 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 for 6 overnight. 2 for 2 on the standard algorithms. So ES night was 1 for 1 right here, and then NQ night was 1 for 1 back here, right there. So those were 2 for 2 on the standard algorithms, and then the premium algorithms were 4 for 4. So down here in the bottom right, this is YM chop, and it had 1 trade here and then 1 trade here. And then this is ES chop, and it had 1 trade here and 1 trade here. So 4 for 4. And then, NQ zones last night was also 1 for 1. So premium is 5 for 5. 5 for 5 before the market opens. And then the standard algorithm subscription is 2 for 2. So this is where the value of premium really comes in. You're only paying 50% more, but you're making that $500 typically overnight or in the morning. Like the 2 trades from ES made $500 just on the 2 trades from ES on CHOP. So that pays for your whole monthly premium subscription right there. Hey, Andon, how are you? Please give a thumbs up. My name's Lauren. We go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30 and 2 to 3 p.m. The market just opened, so we'll see what we get here. I have my little noisemakers. I'm sure you missed them on Friday, right? When Jen was live. Or Jen, did you find some obnoxious loud noisemaker to keep people entertained? But yeah, I am showing you my fully automated algorithm on the futures market. And I said algorithm as it is singular, but really I have like 10 algorithms. So I'll be showing you several of them. This is bold zones. Bold range will be up top. That's what we had, the 2 for 2 overnight. This is range on ES overnight, 1 for 1. And then NQ was also 1 for 1 overnight on range during the London session. So that was great. That's it on range so far, so we'll see what happens. We'll see if gold gives us a trade here. And then on the premium subscription, we are 5 for 5 overnight, 2 for 2 down here on ES chop for $500, and then 2 for 2 here on YM. Where's my YM chop? That is not it. This is my YM bold chop right here. That was 2 for 2 as well. And then NQ zones was 1 for 1. It gave us a little bit of a sweat, but then it went and hit target when the China markets opened. Let's see, NQ 34. Keeping an eye on gold, see if we get this gold short here. YM chop is nowhere near the area. Let's see about ES. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. We go live every day, as mentioned, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Oh, I need to actually turn them on because they're off. Because I don't want to ruin the battery. Let's go. I have two. This one is definitely more obnoxious than this one. It's all good. It's all good. Oh, you guys, you're gonna be so excited. I'm going to play pickleball today. I know you guys couldn't wait for an update about when I was gonna be playing pickleball again. I need to take a picture of this because holy Jesus, that rejection at 30. My premium members get another extra special thing that I don't talk about much on the live stream or even in the group. But it's so money. So even if you didn't ever take this extra special thing that I'm talking about, but if you just ran ES Chop, you would have covered your month subscription just today. It took 2 trades and it's 100%. It made $500. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. We don't have any live trades right now, but when they happen, we will. Who got it? John? Dana got it. Nice job, Dana. Dana got the short on NQ. I love it. I love to see it. Good, good, good. All right. So we'll see. Get a few minutes into the market here. Did you guys do anything fun this weekend? Oh, FYI, Wednesday's the last day for the Apex sale. Apex is doing 80% off currently, 80% off any of their accounts. So you could do the $25,000 account, you could do the $300,000 account. Whatever suits you, it's 80% off. Put in the coupon code SAVE80. How was football this weekend? Did y'all's college team win? Because I think that's what you guys are talking about. Evie and Jen, I don't know. You guys are just rolling eyes at each other. Nice, Will. Super cool. Thank you, Evie, for posting the link. Look, Jen is now just expecting you to do it, huh? You have new tasks. Jen had noisemakers too. She did? Would she have a cowbell? She probably had a cowbell. Hey, Rod, what's up? So this week is the last week of September. Friday will be the last trading day of September. And then we'll be moving into October, which is quarter 4. We've talked about this. Can I use all the bots you have on an Apex account, or is it certain bots? Yeah. So Miguel Monroe, you can use the bots that you're given. So when you initially join for the $500 trial price, you can, ooh, nice little short here. Let's go.
Target filled.
Target filled on that short is that NQ early, and I am short. I was green 300 a second ago on ES also. And yes, NQ early. Eggs hit target. Let's go. I'm also in the ES short, so we'll see what happens there. I'm gonna give it some time. Oh, hold on. Eggs in the chat. Okay, so wait, I was saying something else. Oh, when you first join the group, you get access to Bold Range, which is the one we just took this trade here. This is Bold Range. You see it on the top left of the screen. That is what you get access to when you first join. If you want to add the premium algorithms after a month, you can do that, but that's not part of the trial. So, Miguel, I hope that answers your question. But whatever algorithms or strategies, so even though this is one algorithm on Bold Range, it still has several strategies. So meaning there's like 20 different setups you could run. So you can run all of those on your Apex account as long as they don't overlap with the product or the time, if that makes sense. ES is putting me through the ringer. So she downloaded some app. Nuh-uh, she did. Oh my gosh, so funny. Thank you, Other Miguel, for answering the question. Very helpful. See if we can move back down here. Get ES to go to target. Apple hit here, but had excellent entry. Oh, very nice. Congrats, Tony. We'll get it in a minute. I just got to be patient. Oh, Steve. Hello. Steve. How are you? How's life? What have you been up to? You've been killing it. Last week, The only loss last week was the second ES early on Friday. Everything else was 100%. And then the week before, I think it was similar, but there was like one loss on, what was it? On gold. Hi, how? Wanted to check in. Yeah, happy to have you check in. We miss you. Hope things are going well. Hey, Brett, welcome. We go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. NQ is back in that special area. ES wants to move down, but NQ's trying. We'll see if NQ can come back down here under 30 or under that 26.
Order filled. Target filled.
There we go. Back to 26. On 100K account, if you're up 5K and lose 20, would you blow it? No, I don't know the specifics there, Miguel, but it's all about the trailing drawdown. They have videos on the Apex site that you can go watch to understand it, but it also depends on like a trade to trade basis. So if you were up, oh shoot, why did I do that? If you were up $1,000 and then you were not, hold on one second, and then you went back down, then that would affect your trailing drawdown, yes. But that's not how the algorithm works, so it doesn't really matter. The algorithm will get you in the trade, and then it gets you out of the trade at a target. It's not going to have a whole bunch of like trailing drawdown, if that makes sense. The trailing drawdown on a 100K account, EV says, is $3,000. Smooth Monday. Yep, we're already 6 for 6 on the day. So if you're using the standard algorithm, we were 2 for 2 overnight. NQ and ES both hit overnight. Then this morning, NQ already hit. ES, some folks hit. I have not hit yet, so I'm waiting for that. It was green 300, so it was very close to target. It was maybe like one tick away. And no trades from gold yet. Early's in a long. So NQ early just hit a long and hit target. 2 for 2 on eggs now. So 4 for 4 overnight. Some people already 5 for 5. I'm not, again, on ES. I'm still waiting. So we'll have to see. Gold is in the middle. Money Monday is what we like to call it. Where are my students at? Because we talked about this move back. I have this weekly level here at 50. MNQ making moves. Oh, yeah? What, on Santa? Remember, so we're going into quarter 4. You should be running Pink or Santa on simulation just to get a feel for them to see if it's something you like. Obviously, early is amazing, so we don't care that much, but it is something to keep in mind. Because come quarter 4, scalpers, and Steve, you know about this, used to run Pink all the time, and scalpers would be like the thing. I wonder, I want to just pull back to 36. Let's see if I can get it. I don't know why I have it on this chart. I'll just keep it on the line chart. Get back under that weekly level. Charlie, mine hasn't. Maybe you had a really bad entry. I'm still in it. Some people already hit target on ES. Some are still in the trade. Maybe some hit stop. Like Charlie. Charlie, just confirm that your stop off is correct. I'm actually going to get stopped on this. NQ manual. They're trying to run it back up to the chop zone. We'll see. We'll see if we can get back under that 50. Yeah, my back terminating. What do you mean terminating? Oh, if you get a message that says admin only, then you busted the account. So, Miguel, if you see that, If it's not taking trades, then you probably busted it in some way or another. But none of the trades so far this morning would have done that. So maybe it was something from last week. But if it can't take a trade, then that means you probably busted your Apex account. My Ninja got disconnected and I missed all the trades. Do you have VPS? VPS is very, very important. I'm probably going to get stopped on this ES. I've not gotten stopped yet. So, Charlie, I don't know how you already got stopped when the market's moving higher and I still haven't gotten stopped. I think I turned off drawing the range box on the chart for range. Is there a way to turn it on? You need to message Irma. I'm not sure what's happening this morning. If you, and this is in the regular welcome video. If you don't have bold range up here and if it has a D, that means it's deactivated. That's why then you wouldn't have a blue box. You have to have it on there. RTY took a long and hit target. All right, so I did get stopped out of ES. That is one that I did get stopped out of. So Charlie, I'm there with you. I'm going to, I'm still green for the day. Nice, Charlie. Okay, will do. Thank you. The algo is on still taking trades. I just can't see the box. Then that means you don't have the algorithm actually tied to an account, and that's a problem. It's me. I'm not sure who you are, but you need to get with Irma. That means when the trades are done, you need to delete all the strategies from the strategy box over there. You need to delete all the strategies, and you need to go into your charts and re-add them. Because if you don't have bold range in the top left corner, that means it's not tied to any chart and it's literally just floating in Never Never Land. Real big. I don't know, William. I feel like it wants to get back. That's that 50. That's that 50. I really want this when I'm finding the trend here. Like, obviously under, but look at that, 67. Also, ES, we updated some of the settings, so make sure you take a look at that in the spreadsheet, because I'm always here to update things. I want this short so bad. They're just holding it at 50 for now.
Order filled. Order filled.
You know, I should actually put my trailing one on. Oh no, I got the short just now. Oh, nice.
Order filled.
I'm in the short too. But I finally put it on one of my trailing ones before I had it on. I just had it on a limit one. But it's so much easier when it's on one of the trailing setups. Green $680 here on the short. Well, let's go. Because, see, this one I get mad at myself when I let something come back. But I also, it's a tug of war between trusting the trade and then wanting to take that profit, because $680 is a nice profit. Now it's red 200. You call that spot on. How do I get that good? You just listen to me. Just listen. If you're not willing to listen, then you won't be as good as me. If you're willing to listen, then you can be. Okay, y'all, let's stop talking about that student stuff in the public chat, though. Please. This one is fire. It is literally the long. Oh, thank you, Terrence. All right, people are posting in results. Let's go. These are my overnight trades. I'm gonna bloop myself. Bloop, 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 bloop. One and done, Dana said. $612, $1,800 for him. Very nice job. Michael, good morning. Student call is golden. BBT for life. Look at $13,000 on the one account. Michael is, what is he? Money Michael or Money Maker? It's just consistent. William, easy peasy, happy Monday. William's a student who's in the chat right now. Put the little student emoji. Bloop, bloop. Kyle, swag, which means stop when at goal. Nice job, Kyle. He's also one of my students. Like, if you haven't got the mentorship, what are you even doing here? What's even happening? Obviously, the algorithms will trade for you, but if you have any time to trade, if you have any time to take like one manual trade, it's really so helpful. I'm going to be so stubborn about this short. Should I move it up? Where are we at? We went as high as 76. No, this shit's going to go back. I don't even know why I didn't do it until 900. So ES Night was 1 for 1. NQ Night was 1 for 1. NQ Early was 1 for 1. ES Early, it depends. I was like 2 ticks away from target. So some people hit target. I got stopped out. And then on Premium, ES was 2 for 2 on Chop. On YM Chop, it was 2 for 2. RTY is 1 for 1, but we don't run R2 on Mondays. Maybe that should change. $880. I could have taken that $600 and I didn't. $680. I'm done. What? So dope. What? And the night ES obviously is 100%. But yeah. This, I didn't even know I added a second one. I gotta stop on these shorts because it's just not ready yet. I'm doing what I tell my students not to do. Essentially, like chase it, like wait till it gets there. Good morning. I was thinking about that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday on ES, and I was like, oh, maybe I won't. But it's been so good. I know it's so close to target, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Nice job, Andon. Bloop, bloop. What time is it? There's no reports this morning. It's 9:51. 9:51 a.m. Gold is back at the line. Where's gold on range? Look at the top. Are you still taking students to learn futures? Yes. People, listen to Lauren. The mentorship is golden. It is 100% golden. It's just a money egg. It's just like a money maker. If you actually listen, again, and I know I just said this, but if you really listen, you can make so much money from the mentorship. But a lot of people can't get in front of their own like stubbornness, and then that becomes the issue. I'm just gonna exit this here. This is a waste of this so far. I don't know even why I got in that early. I think NQ wants me to chase her so bad today. I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know why. All right. We rate 33 and go back to 26. Looked at the stats for ES earlier. Had the worst performance on Monday. Nice job, Nick D. So I haven't remembered ZVS and Ninja today. Happened to. Platinum. NQ early is 2 for 2 today. NQ night is 1 for 1. ES night 1 for 1. NQ early 2 for 2. ES early for me was 0 for 1. Some hit target. All right. On and off relationships are always bad. Naveen, that is spot on. I really want NQ to be ready, but it seems like it's not. It really wants to go back to 900. So I need to just let it load the boat at 900. I want to. Thanks, Jen. Nice overnight early start to the week. Nice job, John. 300 on all of his accounts. Again, the Apex sale ends Wednesday. I keep wanting to say Tuesday and then I'll say like tomorrow, but it's Wednesday. And the sign up for the student workshop in Vegas is next week. So if you want to be part of it and you want to secure your spot, you have to sign up next week. I'm only taking 20 students. There's only 20 spots. And that's not going to change. So if you want to be part of the workshop in Vegas, it's a 2-day workshop, intensive workshop. Your hotel is covered. Your breakfast and lunch is covered. There's going to be gift bags, and we're going to have meetups. So if you want to be part of that, you have to sign up pretty much next week because, again, there's only 20 spots. And I have a list of like 25 people that are interested. So, we'll see when it comes time to pay, but most of these people are pretty serious traders that have been in my group for a while, so it seems like it could be a thing. All right, I'm getting ready for the boat loading. $400 here. Let's go. $465. I'm mad at myself about that 680, but whatever. That's why I should have had the trail one on, because then it just does it for me. 575, 615 on this short. This is a manual short. 850. Kind of close to it. I might get tagged here. 755, 765. All right, I got tagged out of that. I made like $650. Thank you, Ellie. Oh man, the day I don't run Santa. What does Santa do? I'm Santa's in a $1,000 trade. Long? Or no, probably short. Then we're all like talking about it 3 times. Okay, yeah. All right. Where are we at? It's 10 o'clock. It's kind of boring. Oh, you can just email me. Sorry, I should have said that. You can email me or just go to my website. Both are on the screen. So my website's right here. My email's right there. Just email and say you want more information about the mentorship. Because on the back there, at least it seems that way. It'll be tough. Yeah. We'll see, we'll see. I don't mind getting back up there for a second. Let's see, what about gold? Nope, gold's nowhere near a trade. Not in any trades currently. Again, NQ early was 2 for 2. I heard like, oh, well, actually, this one's pretty low. I wonder if some people missed the short. Thanks, Jen. Hey, Scott. It is 10:01. Let's see what happens going into 10:30. I'd love a move back up to 900. I went to 96. That might be all we get here. We'll have to see. But I'm not chasing it here. Thanks for the likes. If you appreciate the stream, I've only been able to use my little horn once today because oh, actually no, we had a second trade on NQ, so I should have pushed it, but I didn't. Yeah, sure thing. Yeah, just tap tap tap. Post emojis, exactly. Uh, 100%. Sometimes I wonder about so Santa just hit $1,100 on its trade. Again, we are going into quarter four. I've talked about this a lot, but I feel like I have to repeat myself every single day for folks to actually listen. Quarter four is the best quarter for Santa, for pink, for blue, any of those setups. So you need to start running them on simulation so then you can say, does this work for me? Do I like this? Is this something that could potentially fit in my wheelhouse? Yes or no? YM is in a short here. There's too much in this area to be taking this short now, but I really want to. Like, I need to wait till it comes under 40. Honestly. All the emojis. Thanks for the likes, guys. I appreciate it. It's a little slow this morning. I've only had a few trades. Oh, ES Chop is in another short. Let's put that up here. It's in a short here on the left. I wonder if I'll be ready to take this yet. This is like such a hard area to get through. Gold is dropping. ES is dropping. Let's see if NQ will. NQ's got to break 50, and then it's got to break 40. Like, it's just a little harder. I might give it a little more room. Where's gold in relation to range? So it's back in the middle. It's 75. All right, it's 10:06. Gold is really dropping here at 1943. This would have been a nice short under 44. That's $100 already. All right, I got my trail on for my NQ short. We gotta break 50, 55, 50, 40. Like, there's so many areas to break before NQ can really drop. So I'm hoping we see those. And then can we go back to 800? That's what I want. Green 275 on this short. My trail should come into play soon. And gotta break 50. I'm going to start running Sam's more. Thank you for changing my life. Everyone, she's the real deal. BBT for life. You're so sweet, Magic Mike. I'm going to start running Santa in the morning because clearly I'm missing out. Jen will probably run that today in her afternoon live stream. She'll do a, what is it called? Playback. All right, guaranteed green on this short now. Green $465. The trail's moving down. Green 465, 495, 515, 535. Let's go. Back to 50. All right, one of my trails got hit. Let's see if we can keep dropping on the second one. We got to break 50, and then you got to break 40. There we go. All right, we're in 40s. Oh, I hit my trail. That's okay. I got a nice, probably a little $500 there or something. I'm still red on the day. I had a big loss. I don't know why I increased my sizing on. Yay! Awesome. Nice job, Whitney. Whitney took an oil trade. So this ES, I don't have this live, so I'm going to, oops, I want to show you guys the trade, but I got to put it on the, I think I have it on this one. No? I'm going to use them. All right, so the ES chop is in the short over here. And this is the third trade on ES chop. Again, this is part of the premium. So it's already green $500 on the day. This is the third trade. Let's see if you can go and hit target at 52. Thanks, Mike. I appreciate it. NQ is really trying to hold. I feel like NQ is the reason that it pulled the ES back up. Because the ES is like, F this. As I actually call this morning, I had to say, oh, nice. Very good. I should have put that on the limit order, Whitney. I'm just going to put this here and make it yellow. How's NQ range this morning? Great. 2 for 2, Foxy. And overnight on NQ night range was 1 for 1. So NQ range on the day is 3 for 3. I'm doing great. Are you in the group, Foxy? I don't actually know. Or are you thinking about joining? And so you're asking? I'm trying to figure out if you're in the group or not. Also, I guess if you were in the group, you would know. Well, no, some people are like busy at work and then they don't know. So maybe not. I'm in the group under Sam. Oh, Sam. Cool. Yeah, so the night NQ was 1 for 1, and then the early was 2 for 2 so far. Oh, Sam Fox. Oh, that makes sense now because your last name is Fox, and then your username is Foxy. Got it. Are you busy at work? I'm playing pickleball today. I hope the ground isn't wet. Because you guys know I already have a bad ankle. I'm in Disney, not at my computer. Well, there you go. Have fun in Disney. I hope the weather's great. No trades right now except for this ES short on chop. See if NQ gives me the opportunity. I made a few hundred on NQ this morning on my TD Ameritrade account because I had it open and I saw an opportunity, and I typically don't ever trade on TD Ameritrade because their fees are so high. But I did this morning and I made like $200. So that helps with the bottom line. Today is Monday, September 25th. If you want more information on the auto trading algorithms or the digital mentorship, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I might as well put a limit order here. See if it comes. Make it a push back up to 900. I know my students want it. It's 10:12. The Eastern European markets are going to close in about 15 minutes, and then London closes in an hour. Thanks, Whitney. Whitney took her first live oil trade today, and she did really well. She's really proud of herself, which she should be. She was going to go live last week, and then because it was FOMC, she's like, maybe I'll just stay in simulation and practice some more, and she still did really well. Like, she actually profited really well during an FOMC week, but she was like, it's just safer, and I'm like, yep, that makes sense. Are you gonna get the curl here? 65 or 70, whatever it is. Oh, look, it pushed back up. I'm so confused. Oh, never mind. Never mind. I'm trying to... Morning, Lauren. It's Kevin from the group. Hi, Kevin. Kevin Lomax? Kevin L? Did you change your username? Didn't you have a different username in TikTok before? I literally was like, so on the NQ early trade, if you see like my target hit here and then the wick went like just a little further. So some people had a loss on this, and then some people and some people didn't, like me. I'm 2 for 2 on NQ. But then on ES early I had a loss. Oh, I turned off turn on, so it's showing that it hit. But this short was a loss. So just keep that in mind that some had a loss on NQ early, some didn't, some pink hits on the ran. Okay. Well, MNQ and NQ, remember, NQ and MNQ are going to have different results on. Well, maybe it's not that different. I wanted by the bots. What? You're wanted? I'm starting to get serious about manually trading. Cool, Jared. Let's go. Get serious. Zoo, 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 zoo. I'm in another short here. Manually green 135. I only took 1 mini this time. Guaranteed green. It hit the trail. ES is back in the green on this short. Come on, that's so funny. I'm wanted by the bots. ES went back to the zone. Now it's back down. We gotta see. We have to break 50 and we have to break 40. I'm just being stubborn here because really I should have waited, but maybe the Eastern European markets will give it to us going into 10:30. Maybe they'll break 40 finally. Let's see. So this is the third trade on ES Chop. Gold's in a trade. Oh, nice. Green $110. Let's go. Oh, I'll take it, gold. Thank you, Evie, for letting me know. Gold's in a short. Green $120 here. Drop, 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 drop. My target's 34.6. A point and a half. Let's go. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop, drop. I want that full target, baby. And I'm green 100 on the NQ short. It's 10:21. The Eastern European markets close in 9 minutes. And then I'm going to wrap it up. And then Jen will be live 2 to 3 p.m. today. No, the video, best Apex ticket is 50K. Yep. I don't have Insta anymore. Again, just email me. That is the easiest way to get in touch. Like, people will go to my Instagram and message me, and then, oh, I guess I hit the trail, and message me, and then I still tell them to email me. So just email me. So the two trades that are live right now are gold short on range, and then ES chop is in a short. Green $125. You guys can watch this down here. So just email me. It's just the easiest. I deactivated it because Ninja needed me to like do some updates, and I just didn't feel like doing it at the moment, so I just haven't gotten around to it. Oh, that was Charlie. Thank you, Charlie, for telling me about the gold trade. For some reason, I thought it was EV. I don't know why. Because I saw green. Oh, reminder. I have the dentist tomorrow. What time is that? 10:45. So I'm going to have to definitely be done at 10:30 or maybe a few minutes early tomorrow because I have a dentist appointment. It's a busy random week for like random stuff. ES is almost at target here at 52. We're down to 40 at NQ, but it's got to break that 40. Like the 40 is tough. I'm a little early on this line here, so I don't know if I love this, but I'm going to try to get it down to 800. We'll see if we can. My trail will come into play anyway. ES is about to hit target here for $250. ES chop hit target. Now it's 3 for 3 for $750 on the day. $750 on one setup with one mini. I thought I could halfway read candles before last week. Talk about an upgrade, geez. Yeah. Let's go. I'm moving this up. I might even add here. I want this 50 to hold, and then we come back down. Now, I'm still in the gold short. 1024. We'll see what happens. NQ really wants to hold this market and move it back up, and we're like, we're just not ready for that, okay? Just go back down to 800. No one's ready for that shit yet. No one's ready. Gold was green as much as $130, so we'll see if we can drop back down here on gold. Again, the market closes in 6 minutes. I'll stay on until this gold trade finishes because pickleball's not till later. So if you guys want to hang out with me for a bit, I will stay on until this trade is done. Hopefully we hit that target at 1934.6. I'm green 200 on my NQ short now, 220. I think my offset moves at 300 or something, or 250. I don't know. Something like that. All right, green $90 on this gold short. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We need NQ to drop below 30 now. Stay below 40, then get below 30. If it can get below 30, it can go back to 800. There we go. Gold, $150 on this short. Let's go, let's go. Oh, what was that? Target or offset? Oh, target hit on gold. Nice. And I'm green $400 on my NQ short. 410. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, my trail hit there. That was for gold. All right, gold hit target. GC hit target for $250. Nice, nice. All right, well, I guess I'm going to wrap it up. And I hope you guys have a great day. And Jen will be live at 2 o'clock. Sounds like a soccer game. I know. GC range 1 for 1. All right, cool. Good, good, good. So if you had a loss on NQ early or you had a loss on ES, it is normal. I had a loss on ES. Some people I've been hearing had a loss on NQ. It happens. It's part of slippage. We can't be in the same exact trade. And if the market doesn't continue in that direction and it quickly turns around, then that can lead to a loss. Like I can show you here. Again, this is where I hit target and then it went a little lower and then it went up. So that happens. If it happened to you, I'm sorry. Oh, look at this drop now. We are in this short. Well, not we. This is a bit of a chase here though, but we're getting a nice continuation of the downside. Let's see if we can get to 800. This is what I've wanted all morning. Under the 30. And I might even add if it goes back. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. I'm going to take this one last manual trade and probably be done for the day. I hope you guys have a great day. That's what she said, slippage. I hope you guys have a great day. Jen will be live at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on TikTok only. So make sure you follow us on TikTok live_BoldBot. Give her a follow. Make sure you join and give her some love. She might have a cowbell for you for entertainment. And she's going to be running that scalper trade that she took live today. So she'll run it on replay so you guys can see it this afternoon and decide if you want to start running it. Again, Q4 is starting next week. You should start running some of the scalper setups in simulation to see how they look, if you like them, if you don't like them, and kind of go from there. All right, thanks for joining. Bye.